Hello and welcome to Mastering Data Visualization in D3.js. My name is Adam and I'll be the one to take you through the journey of learning D3. I work as a freelance data visualization engineer using my knowledge of D3 to build complex front-end systems for businesses. I've been living and working remotely for over a year now, picking up interesting projects from companies all around the world. I've designed and built data dashboards for successful startups, including consulting roles teaching CEOs about the best way to design their products. I've worked with a large NGO to communicate the results of a 20,000-person study of youths around the world. And I've been a coach and mentor to new learners of D3 who are just starting off on the same path. I first picked up my skills in data visualization at Harvard University, where as a computer science student, I first learned the material that I'll be teaching in this course. Although the bulk of what you'll learn will revolve around the finer points of the D3 library, the course is also structured to give you a formal introduction to the principles of design. I'll teach you how to effectively showcase your ideas, justifying design decisions to your colleagues, and I'll also teach you how to discern between good and bad visualizations, and how to avoid the most common pitfalls of design. We'll be working through 4 exciting projects which are all relevant to the real world, and you'll be following along every step of the way as we gradually add complexity onto what we can do with D3. By the end of this course, you'll be able to create new and exciting visualizations in the web's premier visualization library. You'll learn to design and build your own projects to work with the data that matters to you the most, and we'll be covering advanced topics in D3 like brushes, choropleth maps, and layouts. We'll also be using the latest version of D3, version 5. If you don't have much prior experience in web development, then I suggest that you take a primer course on both JavaScript and jQuery before launching into this course. You'll want to feel comfortable with selecting elements on the screen and interacting with the document object model in order to get the most out of this experience. This course is meant for you if you want to build user interfaces that can add real value right away, if you want to stand out from the crowd and generate new and interesting ideas, and if you want to change the way that you see data in the world around you.